What's up? Alright, so it's been a while since I've been able to get in here and do any kind of video. We've been crazy busy with work. I did manage to get my Intron 99 set back up there in the back side of the yard. But today, I'm going to be working on a tow peg here. Had the radio pulled out. Took it, I had it turned down a little bit yesterday, and I'll show you why. We're going to be putting in, oh mercy, Palomar 225. Got to get a little more fire in the wire. Now, I apologize in advance for this thing being dirty in here, but here is where it's going. This is a mount I made a while back. I wanted the radio pretty accessible, within hand's reach. When running down the road, I did not want to mount anything to the dash. The dash is pretty unmolested. So we're going to hang the radio back in here and then make a plate to sit on top of the radio for the amp to sit on and still have access to the drink holder door. So let's get this thing started. All right, so the radio is mounted back in the slot where the slot that I made for it. As you can see from the seat over here, everything's within arm's reach there, which is why I wanted it. And what we're going to do, what I'm trying to say is, this is going to be mounted on the top back here towards the back on another mount that's going to kind of sandwich this one and still give us access to that door, because I do stop by the store a lot and get drinks and this, that, and the other, and I still want to be able to use that door. So let's get this thing started, get this thing mounted, get it wired up, and see how this old Mobile does. All right, so I've got it mounted on a plate that I made. It's nothing fancy, just something out of some scrap wood, and I fastened it down to the top of it and made my connections with new wire and put it in wire loom to get it over to where I need to go through. I don't know if I'm going to be able to go through the firewall on the truck. I hope so. If not, I'll have to find another route. But I kind of I just like a clean install, and I just wanted these wires to be in their own encasement. So, and it should keep everything neat. But here comes the fun part. Let's get it in there and get it wired up and get it ready to go. All right, so it's in, man. It is in there, and install's kindly clean. I got it ran through that wire loom. Now the other two wires there I'll put into some more. I ran out. That red line down there goes to an echo chamber that I use, and that other audio plug is for music out of my phone to my stereo. But yeah, it's in. Power, preamp. I don't know if anybody's on or not. I'll see. Hey, brake channel. Doesn't look like anybody's on. Don't think anybody's on anyway. Brake channel. Oh well. Maybe later this evening. A lot of the guys haven't got off work or whatever yet, so we'll try it. Or I'll try it later on. I did test it earlier. Seems to be working pretty good. I have a lot of transformers right here around me where I'm at now. I'm in the backyard, and there's some transformers not that far away, so it kind of tears up my whip, and so it may make it a little tough there. So I'll try to get a video of using it in the next day or so. But that's it, man. Not too bad. It's a decent little score. I didn't give a whole lot for that box, and I'm glad to have it. Should help out on some road trips. You guys take care. We'll catch you in the next one.